Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université University of Blida 2 in Algeria. Today, we're going to present our 14th lecture titled What is Data Science? So I have divided my 14th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is data science? What are subsets of data science? Activities including building vocabulary, and finally assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is data science? Data science can be explained as the science that deals with the identification, representation, and extraction of needful and meaningful information from a pool of data that are useful for the further growth of the business. A subset of data science. The different subset of data science includes data analysts, data architect, data engineer. Language activities. The phrase receive title of refers to accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when using it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For example, Amin received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.